Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, if you want to start an online business with low upfront costs and high potential, you are in the right place. We love to talk about how you can make money from the comfort of your very own home with the help of our sponsored host, Printify. So today we're diving into more on how you can sell custom t-shirts on Amazon using Printify's print-on-demand services in just minutes. All right, so if you're ready, let's get started together. So the global t-shirt market is booming. It's the perfect time to jump right in. They are projected $46.99 million in this year, 2025. Amazon, with over 300 million active users, offers a massive platform for sellers to sell on. So by leveraging print on demand, you can sell custom designs without holding any inventory or even managing shipping. So let's dive into how we can create your Amazon seller account. So it's really simple and easy. First, you will head on over to sellercentral.amazon.com to create your seller account. In order to do so, you just need a few things here: your business email address, which is, your normal address that you'll be using to conduct business, a government issued ID, credit card, tax information, phone number, and your bank account for deposits. So you want to choose between two different account options that they have here. An individual account where you do not need any money upfront in order to sell. You simply pay with the earnings that you receive from your products online. Or you can go with the professional account where you are paying an upfront cost and you don't have to come out of your product sales. And this will be $39.99 per month. So if you plan to sell more than 40 items a month, then the professional plan is more cost effective. So just something to take a look at and think about when you are setting up your account. Next, you will connect your Amazon store to a print-on-demand provider like Printify, and this is going to allow you to create and sell custom t-shirts without managing any inventory. Printify integrates seamlessly with the Amazon platform, and they basically handle the production and the shipping all for you. Okay, so now it's time to design your t-shirt. You can use Printify's product creator to upload your artwork or create new designs. So you really don't need any design skills at all. You can simply use the images, tweak them to your liking and according to what your audience likes. And here you want to focus on quality and simplicity to appeal to your target audience. And remember that niche designs, they perform a lot better. So definitely consider targeting your specific interests or communities when you are designing your t-shirts. Okay, so with your designs ready, it's now time to list them on Amazon. So from your Printify dashboard, you will select Add a New Store and then choose Amazon. Then publish your products with the right titles, descriptions, and keywords to improve the visibility. You can use ChatGPT to write those all out for you if you have absolutely no clue what to write and how to describe your products through the listing. ChatGPT is a great tool because ChatGPT pretty much spits out the information for you once you put in the right prompts, and it will give you an attractive listing that your customers are searching for when they are shopping for t-shirt designs like yours. So marketing is crucial for success. So you can use social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even Pinterest to show your designs. You might want to also consider running Amazon ads to increase product visibility, completely optional. And you want to engage with your audience to encourage reviews and build trust and drive those sales. Because we all know that reviews are everything. So once you continue providing value, your customers will continue to provide you with great reviews, and this will in turn lead to more sales for you. And just a few bonus tips. So definitely want to consider ordering samples before you go ahead and sell to the public. This will ensure that you are producing the best quality. Also, price your t-shirts competitively. Look at other online businesses, how they price their t-shirts, and this will give you an idea as far as what to price yours. You also want to maintain healthy profit margins to make sure that you are making money on these items too. Also, monitor your sales and customer feedback so that you can be sure what's working from what's not, and stay updated with market trends to keep your designs fresh and relevant. Okay guys, so that's a wrap on how to sell t-shirts on Amazon using Printify this year, 2025. I wanted to provide you guys with a quick and easy video. So if you found this video helpful, please do go ahead and like this video and share with another creative, someone who needs more information, more encouragement, more inspiration for building their very own online business, and subscribe for many more of these tips that we usually share each week. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe for many more insights on building your online business, and we will chat in the next video.